So yeah, here's another process video. This one is for the Skillibeng artwork I did. So let's get right into it. So the idea for this one was pretty simple. Pretty direct to the song. In relation to the song. Decided to just use the plane and stuff. The main thing, I just wanted to illustrate him, for the culture person. This one here, that shit, yeah. So yeah, I'll probably print it soon. Initial line work and stuff first, usual. Decided to use light brown for the line work, kind of feels better on the white canvas. Difficulty with the drawing, not so much. I kind of just fused two different pictures, the plane itself, and then I saw a picture of him. The most difficult part was the face, as you're gonna see now. That was the first draft. Not so proud of it, but I decided to try again. Turns out I was kind of, overthinking the proportions in a sense. But yeah, I got it right eventually. And then yeah, the picture I was like using for reference, the shadows were kind of messing me up, so but eventually after a few hours, trust me, hours, actually got it right, fixed up certain parts. And then as you could see a while ago, the green sketch, that's at the background, like in terms of what I decided to use. As you can now see, already illustrated here. I did that in Illustrator, so this is where I started to add like the shadows on the plane and stuff. I vectored the drawing, so to get that sharpness for the plane and his skin, and I use that to choose the colors. Usual sunset view, which is a thing I like as my style, but the elements again, spaceship. Hold on. Yeah, spaceship, I'm saying the alien will capture your feet, just some little things that related to it. Put two alien figures, just to put a little bit more mystery into the whole piece, had a little bit of trouble with the sky colors, in terms of the sunset. Because the water had this really nice teal blue I liked, and I didn't want to change that, and the sky wasn't really meshing with it. So, but eventually I decided to go with this dark and orange burnt color, as you're gonna see in a few, but yeah, pretty short, sweet. But yeah, he actually reposted it. Wanted to make a bag, gonna see how far I can get that going. But yeah, so that's it for this illustration. I don't know if I left out anything.